This video covers the unboxing and operation of an electric scooter. It's a practical option for adults seeking an efficient and reliable mode of transportation for commuting. We often use it in our nearby community. Here's a guide of our unboxing. What's inside the box? Assembly. The procedures are shown in the video. Follow these steps to assemble the scooter. Insert the cables. Carefully insert the cables inside the stem. Attach the handlebar. Insert the handlebar into the stem, ensuring it is properly aligned. Secure the handlebar. Install the screws to secure the handlebar in place. Use the included wrench to tighten the screws. Lock the folding mechanism. Ensure the folding mechanism is securely locked by securing the latch to prevent the scooter from folding during use. After assembly, test the scooter by holding down the power button for 3 seconds. Here's the structure of the scooter to help you identify the parts. How to fold the scooter. Ensure the scooter is switched off. Loosen the lock lever and pull to release the locking mechanism. Gently lower the handlebar stem towards the rear of the scooter. Locate the clamp and latch the hook attached to the bell onto the clamp. Ensure the scooter is securely folded and the handlebar is locked in place. With the scooter folded, it is easy to carry using the handlebar stem for storage or transport. How to unfold the scooter. Release the hook latch to the clamp. Lift the handlebar stem to the upright position. Lock the lever on the folding mechanism. Charging. Plug the charger into the scooter and connect it to a power outlet. The red charging indicator light shows it's charging. When fully charged, the indicator light turns green. Operation.
Press it once to turn the headlight on. And then press it twice to change the mode. Here. Right now it's on Eco and D and then Sports mode. This is how you brake and then show the lights. This is the accelerator.
Smart app control. Pair the electric scooter with your smartphone using the app. Use the app to control various features, including selecting riding modes, light system, speed level, cruise control, start mode, scooter status display. Test drive. Take the scooter for a short test ride in a safe area to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check for smooth acceleration, proper braking, stable handling. Accessories, not included in the box. The chain lock, sold separately. Is used to lock the scooter when parked in a public place.